This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cash out Exodus Wallet full guide. Start by opening your Exodus app and confirming your identity settings before initiating a withdrawal. Next, verify the asset, check balances, and review network fees so you avoid surprises. Make sure your recovery phrase is safe and that any linked exchange accounts are ready. I walk you through step by step so you can complete a secure, smooth cash-out experience. Decide whether to use an integrated exchange, send crypto to a centralized exchange, or use a peer-to-peer option based on fees and convenience. Check conversion rates and any fixed or percentage fees so you know the net amount you will receive. Confirm processing times because bank transfers may take days, while on-chain transfers depend on network congestion. I offer practical tips so you pick the fastest, cheapest, or simplest path for your needs. Initiate the transfer by selecting Send or Exchange within Exodus, then enter the destination address and exact amount you want to cash out. Always paste and verify the recipient address, and use 2FA on any exchange account to prevent unauthorized moves. After sending, track the transaction ID and wait for required confirmations before selling or withdrawing to your bank. I guide you through verification and follow up so your funds clear safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.